Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player. Today I'm going to show you how to play Give a Little Bit by Supertramp. This was a huge song in the 1970s, and if you have an acoustic guitar, you'll especially love this song. It's got lots of big happy chords and open strings, and it just sounds nice. All right, so let's get started with the lesson. So this is mostly first position chords. The first chord is going to be an A7. That's going to be the second fret of the D string and the B string to a common D chord. That's the second fret of the G, second fret of the E, and then the third fret of the B string. From there, you're going to go to this G chord. Third fret of the E, second fret of the A, then the third fret of the B and the E down here. To an A major, which is second fret of the D, G, and the B strings. So let me show you what we have so far. To G, to D, A7 to D, to G to A, G to A, then you're going to land on this G again. You're going to go. Then you go to that B minor chord. So that's a bar on the second fret, fourth fret on the D and the G, and the third fret down here on the B string. Okay, so it goes. So what you're going to do for that next chord is you're going to play an E major chord, second fret of A, second fret of D, first fret of the G string. Then you're going to take your pinky and you're going to put it on the second fret of the G string. Back to the G. Okay. So you're going to do those first four chords. You're going to go through that progression twice, and then when you go to the B, the G again, you're going to slide into this little chord with two notes here. So you're going to have your second finger on the fourth fret of the D. First finger is going to be on the third fret of the B. You're going to go. Slide them all up one fret. Go back to the A7. And you're going to do that again. That's the fifth fret of the D and the B. go back to the D chord. So you play that progression twice. Then it goes into this bridge section, which is, it's going to be an F sharp minor chord here. And it goes back to that B. So an F sharp minor is going to be a bar on the 2nd fret, fingers on the 4th fret of the A and the D string, then you move into that B again. Then on the 4th time, after you do the B, you're gonna make a C chord. Then you're gonna end up on the A7. 4 on D, 3 on the B string. Then you're gonna slide up to 5 on the D and the B, and 5 on, or 7 on the D and the B. Okay, it goes like this. It goes. Does that 3 times. So this is how it goes. It goes back to the D, and it goes back to the original progression. It goes through it one more time. Oops. Go through it one more time, all right? That time it does it twice on the last one. And then instead of jumping back into the D at the beginning, it jumps back to the D. It goes. So this is on the very last time, and this is the outro to the song. So I'll play it for you real quick. It goes. Let me move back up just a little bit though. So I'll show you how we flow into that D. So it's going to go. So that little progression there is the D chord. You take that whole shape, you slide it up to the 7th fret, then you slide it up to the 9th fret. And then down here on the 4th fret of the G and the 3rd fret of the B and the E. You hit that once and go back into the D. So it goes. To do that, you're going to be on the 5th fret of the B and the G string. You want all 4 of those strings to ring. Got a nice, happy sound to it. I like that. G. All right, so let me do it beginning to end for you. Okay, it's going to do that about maybe 8 measures or so. And then it's going to quit going through the whole arrangement. It's going to go. It's going to hit the C chord here. Instead of hitting this, which is a form of a C chord, it's going to go up to this 1st position C chord, which is the 3rd fret of the A, 2nd fret of the D string, 1st fret of the B. Last time it does it, it's going to do the C and the G twice. D, 9, 7, and then it slides up an entire octave and plays that D chord way up here on the 14th fret and goes. So you're going to make that D chord down here, but it's going to be on the 14th fret. So let me play that for you real quick. Go. And that's how the song ends. So, like I said, if you're playing an acoustic guitar, this is a wonderful song with lots of big open strings and happy sounding chords, and it's really a nice song. So I hope you like this video. If you do, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. And I hope you like this video. So thank you and have a wonderful day.